What's going on, guys? I'm gonna make a video before I retire for the night. But the Ahmaud Arbery trial is going on, the murder trial with between Greg McMichaels and Travis McMichaels. Those dated back in last year, February, just before the height of the protesters that was going on in Minneapolis as well. Just a month before then, when George Floyd was killed by Derek Chauvin, and the other standby cops did pretty much nothing about it. So this particular case, man, it really caught Georgians in shock, man. It got us out of hand. It caught us off guard. And in reality, that Ahmaud Arbery was just chased down by three white men in a pickup truck, and these guys had deadly weapons, a shotgun, rifles, and all of that. And they thought, he was a suspect of break-ins, okay? And he was just jogging, minding his own business, seeing he was right at the construction site. But the continuously to move forward, they chased him down. It was a really disturbing video, and you understand, the end result was that he lost his life. Okay, so we don't know if they were saying racial slurs. It's really kind of, that's what I was telling people. I'm looking like this man had nothing to do with the break-ins that was going on in outside the city in Brunswick, Georgia. Okay, and so the thing is that they seen a young black man. They just thought like automatically, hey, he could be the suspect. And the thing is, that's a very aggressive approach, because as a former police officer for Greg McMichael, to de-escalate a situation, like, why would you go ahead and try to run up on someone with guns? Especially if they're minding their own business. Of course, this has that fight or flight mode. And he took upon himself, he tried to defend himself. And I think, too, if he would have kept running, they probably would have ran him over, or they would have shot him in the back. So he tried to give himself a fighting chance. But it's really sad, too. And the thing is, like, the district attorney, she was voted out. She was indicted, too. Former district attorney of Georgia, Jackie Johnson, she actually covered it up. And in reality, too, their lawyers, the reason why we seen this there, because months later, because the lawyer for the McMichaels thought like this is what helped the case later on in the future, and so he released the video, the body count that happened. So it was a very suspected thing, man. The young man, I think he was like 24 years of age. He did not deserve to die. And the reason why I took that to heart is because, especially the racial injustice that going on in this country, they try to buried in the sand and all that. But that could have been me. That could have been, anybody. It could have been my cousin. That could have been any black man that's, not only just successful, but just minding his own business, can't even take a jog in the neighborhood without being racially profiled. So I'm glad this is going to be into trial. Samuel's the defense attorney, so we got to see how this is going to go. Shout out to Law and Crime Network. They going to have cameras in the courtroom. They do a great job, man. Substantial job. It's very sensational, very professional. The audio is really great. They still doing the Marquis Floyd situation that happened in Orlando when he killed his ex-girlfriend, because due to brandishing, then he killed a cop due to an arrest warrant, whatever. He's trying to plead himself as insane or whatever. So it's a lot of things going on, but they're really doing a good job covering a lot of cases. So I pray that too, it will be this will be very professional. Things will go right for Ahmaud Arbery and his situation, and his family can receive justice, man, because this is really crazy. And the thing is, the McMichaels, they pleaded not guilty. So I'm making this video as an awareness that, I'm really going to start educating myself on these trials. I like covering these things. Same thing with the Derek Chauvin trial. I actually enjoyed that, and I actually got a lot of support from doing that, and I enjoy it. So in all reality, I'm going to continue to make videos. I'm going to cover this trial, so I want you guys to be part of this journey here, and I really appreciate the support. I appreciate my subscribers and everybody's just being with me since day one, and I'm going to do what I can to cover as much information for the Ahmaud Arbery case, okay? And, going to the opening statements. Right now, they in the beginning process of selecting the jury. I think they had like 36 people so far. Of course, it's going to go down to 12. But the thing is, I think Goff, one of the attorneys for McMichaels, they say that they like the jury so far, the candidates, but a lot of them, some of them, are moving. They're moving to a different county, moving to a different state. And according by law, you can't be on the jury if you're not part of that resident, the county, that happened, so as in regards to the case. So that's part of the rules, man. So, but we'll have to see. It's going to be a new jury. And hope this jury doesn't be biased, man, and continue to move forward, man, and get things right. So this your boy Young Lee Jr. You guys please like, comment, subscribe, share this video. I'm gonna do more research on it, and appreciate you guys just being with me all the time, and especially when I was covering the Brian Laundrie situation. That was solved. So in Derek Chauvin case. So I really get a thrill out of this. So I'm gonna do some deep down research. I'm gonna have a discussion, may go live, but let's continue to move forward and let's keep the Lord first, and let's see what's gonna happen in court. This your boy Young Lee Jr. I'm out. Deuces.